I do like caring for people. I like making them feel better. I get a lot of satisfaction when I know that I've made somebody's day better. You don't always get the recognition you deserve, but you know in your heart and in yourself that you did it, and that makes you feel good. And I want to be an RN because it was something I started and never finished, and I won't be satisfied until I finish. I always feel like I left something undone, and I will have a little more self-respect, a little more pride, self-esteem, more respect from others. I had enrolled at one of the local career colleges, and I had enrolled in a course that I had already taken, but they didn't accept. And I did very well, made an A in that class, but it was all the way across town. There was a lot of gas.